Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to switch to Canva Pro yearly payments. So if you're on the Canva Pro plan like me and you're paying monthly, you can save some money by paying yearly, and it's really easy to do. So from your Canva homepage, click in the bottom left-hand corner on your profile picture. From there, click on Settings. And then on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where it says Payments and Plans, then click on Billing. There you'll be able to see what plan you are on. So if you're on the Canva Pro, it'll say when your plan renews, and just underneath it should say Switch to Yearly to save 35%. So if that's something you want to do, click on that. Then click on Switch to Yearly again, follow the instructions, and you will pay a lump sum for the year, which will take it from £13 a month to £8.33 a month, which is a really nice saving. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.